Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, I got a little bit of a tip and trick here. Now, this is one of the Harbor Freight. I don't even know if you can get these. I'm pretty sure you can, but it's a magnet. And it works okay. And then you pull on the little handle thing here, and it should drop everything pretty good. But, as you can see, it kind of magnetized stuff. It gets lots of little fuzzies all over it. And that ends up building up on here as well. So what I've done also, sometimes it doesn't want to let go of stuff as well. Like kind of like that. I'm all the way off here and it still wants to hit the sides and it stays up here. So what I've done is taken one of these little Folgers coffee cans. I had to cut the top off of it. And I kind of sanded it down because you don't want to cut yourself. And that fits perfectly into here. Now that, I can pick up everything like that. It works usually about the same, but the cool thing about this is that it kind of comes away and slides away so that everything comes off. So it works pretty good. And then, if you need to, you can pull this off, set this to the side. And this is really easy to clean off now because it's not magnetized at all. Unlike if you had something metal like this, even though it's plastic, and you pull this away, it's still kind of a pain in the butt to clean all the stuff off of here. Because the magnet's hooked to it. So this actually works. Something else I see now that I don't remember doing is I actually have electrical tape around here, which I think I might have did that to make it a little bit snugger. Keep it a little bit more snug. But regardless, it works really well. I like it. It's a good tip and trick. Hopefully you all enjoy it. You could probably use it with other magnets that would do similar things. Thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.